5 absolute things you must check before releasing your website for the public use. This checklist applies for every kind of website and for everyone, whether you are the owner or a developer. These will definitely help you get away from your upcoming website failures. Number 1. Load testing. Load testing is like a performance testing of your hosting or server under a real-to-life load conditions. In other words, if you want to see whether your hosting can handle a certain amount of concurrent traffic, then guess what? You don't need to wait for real users to put the load on the server and you watch it until it crashes right in front of your eyes. We got a better option. Use free tool like loader.io, which simulates a load test for your server. With a very easy setup, you can monitor the performance of your server with up to 10,000 simulated users at once. If you are happy with the performance of your server, then you're good. But if your website starts slowing down until it finally crashes in load testing, then we welcome you to stress testing. Stress testing is like load testing with Red Bulls. We push the server till it crashes to verify how stable and reliable the server is. This helps you to measure that if for any reason your website crashes, then how long it takes you to get back everything on the track. But wait, whatever you do, you can never simulate the fatigue of data loss during live website crashes, which takes us to our number 3, backups. Everyone knows how important the backups are, but no one talks to check the restore system until it is needed. Make sure to check your backup strategy for every conditions. You should be able to restore every bit of data without loss in the least amount of time. Number 4. Spam protection. Spams are everywhere on the internet, and especially your website comments and forms are the sweet spot for spammers. Make sure to use spam filtering tools and robots challenge like Google reCAPTCHA so that you don't end up throwing multiple backups of spams on your server. Number 5. Speed. High website speed ensures an impressive user experience, affects the SEO rankings, and affects your conversions. Test your website with Google Page Speed Insights and GTmetrix to see how fast or slow your website will perform for real users on both mobile and desktop devices. If you face problems with any of these steps, comment down below or you can contact us with the details in the description. And if I contributed something to your website success, then hit like on this video, share this information and subscribe to our channel.